Jobs. The Jobs tab allows you to store all the readings related to one task in one place, alongside photos, GPS data and notes. To start, select Jobs in the top menu bar. When a reading is stored on a jobs list, it cannot be deleted to prevent data manipulation. This means you must check you are on the correct list before you store a reading. If you want to create a new job list, touch New Job. You can see the name of the current job list displayed at the bottom of the screen. To rename this job list, touch the Job Name field, type in the required name, and touch Save. You can add notes about this job by touching Notes. Enter any notes you want to record about this job, for example the frequency of tests, who is responsible for the tests, or any special instructions, and touch Save when finished. If you're on the wrong list, touch Job List in the bottom right-hand corner to view other available lists. To add a reading to the open job list, either touch Store a Reading in the Jobs view, or to view the reading before you store a result, touch Meter on the top menu bar to return to Meter view. You can now view the live reading from the electrode, and when you are happy that the reading is stabilised, touch the Store icon to store the result. Touch Jobs to return to the Jobs screen. If you wish to store a reading but the sample is difficult to access, you can set a timer. Touch the plus and minus icons either side of the green band to increase or decrease the timer. When the desired time is reached, touch the central Store a Reading in X seconds to start the timer. Use this time to take the cap to the sample. You can leave the tablet behind at this stage, providing it is still in range. Wait for the countdown to be reached, and the reading will automatically be stored on the current job list as indicated by the green tick symbol next to the result. It is recommended to give each reading a name for clarity. Touch a stored reading name to rename it, and touch Save. You can view the full reading information by touching the down arrow next to the green tick mark. The full reading information is shown for the selected reading. You will see the time and date stamp, last calibration time and date, user, delay and electrode used. This information cannot be changed on a recorded job reading, and a recorded job reading cannot be deleted after it is stored to prevent data manipulation. More information can be added to enhance the stored reading if required. To add written notes, touch the Notes message. Enter any additional notes about the sample or reading that you want to capture, for example if the colour or consistency of the sample was different than usual. To add a photograph, touch Photo Not Attached and select the white plus symbol to add an image. The image source options are listed. Touch the required source to add a photograph either from your existing documents, or press the camera icon to launch the camera and touch to take a photo. Touch the tick to accept the photograph, and touch Save to save the image to the reading and return to the job list. To add GPS information to a reading, touch the GPS Not Set message. Here we can add our current GPS location to the reading. This allows you to later see exactly which location it was measured at. Touch the GPS symbol to record the current location. The GPS symbol flashes with a black circle in the centre. Wait for the location to be found. This can take up to a minute. The tablet must have location services turned on, and your device may not be able to find a location if you are inside a large building. The text on screen will detail the date and time when GPS is set. Touch Save to save the GPS reading.